is Subbu from bloggingmypassion.com and welcome to the Custom Fields WordPress tutorial. Normally, WordPress provides two default fields when you make a post, and they are title and description. If you want to have a WordPress custom field in your blog or site, for example, you want to enter some phone number, so you want to have a new text field, or you want to enter some address, so you want to have a new text area, you can add these custom fields in WordPress by using Advanced Custom Fields WordPress plugin. So in this Custom Fields WordPress tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Advanced Custom Fields WordPress plugin and how to add these custom fields to WordPress to your blog posts or pages. I am also going to show you how to add these newly added custom fields in your posts or pages. So watch this video. Normally, if you want to add a new post or a page, the default fields that you will see are the title field and the editor field. So this title field, you can add the title here, and in the editor you can add the article you want to post and publish the post. These are the only two default fields that you will have normally. And if you want to have any extra fields like phone number, like a text field for capturing a phone number, or a text area field for capturing the address, etc., then you can do it with a plugin called Advanced Custom Fields plugin. Using the Advanced Custom Fields plugin, you can add any number of fields below this content or below the title, that means above the content. You can have as many number of fields and different types of fields like text field, text area, etc., using this plugin. Not only on posts, but there are different options like on pages or only on some category posts, etc. You can use this plugin and you can easily add the new fields here, and I'll show you how to do that one. For doing this one, first you have to install the plugin. So go to plugins and click on add new. In the search box, search with the words Advanced Custom Fields. Advanced Custom Fields, search plugins. Okay, so this is the plugin that we are going to use. Click on install now. Are you sure you want to install this plugin? Yes, click OK. Now the plugin is installed, and click activate plugin to activate the plugin. Okay, now the plugin is activated, and you can see the plugin under installed plugins section. And once the plugin is activated, you will see a new menu item called Custom Fields on the left side menu. So click on Custom Fields. So once you click on Custom Fields, this is the page that will be shown up, and here you will see something called field groups. So the first thing you have to do is you have to add a field group. So what is a field group? A field group is nothing but it's a group of fields. That means what are the fields that you want to add, like a text field, text area, radio buttons or check boxes, etc. You will group them as one field group. So this is called a field group, and the first thing you have to do is you have to add a new field group. So click on add new here. Once you click on add new field group, so the first thing is you have to give a name to the field group. So for this purpose, what I'm doing is I am giving it as test field group. So the first one we have given it, and the second one is we have to add the fields we want to have under this field group. So add, click on add field. So the first one is I would like to add a text field. So for phone number, so what I'm doing is I'm adding phone number, and this field name will be automatically shown up. And field type, this is the one we have to select here. Here we'll have different options like text field, text area, number, email, password, etc. So for this article purpose, what I'm doing is I'm just adding these two fields. One is a text field for a phone number, and another one is a text area for address. So select text here. You can add any field instructions here. So if you have add please enter your phone number here, phone number here. So if you want to make it as a required field, what you can do is like you can select it as yes, or if it is not a required field, then you can select it as no. When it is a required field, yes means while you are making a post, if you don't enter the phone number, then it won't allow you to publish this one. So let's say let's select yes here, and default value, like you can put a default value here, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So this is the default value that will appear. So there are some other options normally, like which you don't need to use. So the first thing I have done is like I have added a text field. Now I would like to add another field, which is a text area for address purpose. So click on add field one more time, and here like the field label is address, and field name will automatically pop up, and under the field type select text area here. So enter the field instructions, please enter your address here. Okay, so this is required. No, this is not required. We are leaving it as a default value here, and default value, like if you want to enter any default value, you can enter it here. And placeholder character limit, number of rows, I'm limiting it to 4. That means like only 4 rows will appear, and now so we have added a text field and a text area field. So the next one is the location. So where exactly you would like to have this field group, that means the new fields that we have added, which is text field for phone number and text area for address. Where exactly like you want to display them? Do you want to display them on a post or a page or anywhere else? Like you have these options. If you want to display it on a post type, then you have to select this, like you have different options here, like post type, logged in user type, etc. So you have to select post type is equal to post here. So if you select it as page, then these options will appear on the page, but we would like to do it on a post, so select it as post. Similarly here you have another option, is equal to, is not equal to. If you select is not equal to, so post type is not equal to post, that means on a post the new field groups won't be displayed, but they'll be displayed on a page. So let's select like is equal to. So here also like you have different user type. Like say like if you select post is equal to, then if you select post is equal to, then here you will get like different posts here, and you can select a particular post, and only on that particular post these new fields will be shown. And the next one is post category. So post category is equal to, that means here if the post category, like I don't have any other categories here, but normally if you have any categories, you can select any of the categories, then only for a post that is under those particular category, only for those posts only the new fields will be displayed. So for this article purpose, what I'm doing is I'm selecting this post type is equal to post here. So that means like whenever you want to make a new post, these new fields will be added. So there are some other options also here. Normally like you don't need to use these options, but if you want to try, like you can try these options also. So once you have done all these settings, click on publish. You have to publish this one. That means this new field group that you have created with different fields will be saved now. So click on publish. Okay, so now the field group is saved, and the field labels are phone number and address, and this is the field name here. So this field name is showing us like phone underscore number and address. So these two things we have to remember, because while you are making a post, these fields will appear and you can enter a phone number and address, but if you want to display the phone number and address you have entered on the original fields, like you have to make some changes to the template. I will show it to you how to do that one. So for the time being, like just remember this one, phone underscore number and address. So now if you go to like posts and add new, that means if you want to create a new post I'm just opening it in a new tab to show you the new fields that we have added. So this is the post, like we are adding a new post here, and if you go here at the bottom, you will see the phone number and address we have added. If you see, phone number is a compulsory one, and it is showing a star mark here. That means if you don't enter the phone number, and the post won't be published. So this is the default value that we have entered. So take out this one, and address, see, this is the address, this is the text area field that we have created, and this is not a compulsory one because we haven't not specified that, like it's a compulsory one. So it's not showing any red mark here, and it's also not showing any default value here. Okay, now let's try to make a post here. So what I'm doing is, like I'm trying to enter a post here, testing new advanced custom fields plugin. So this is a just some title I have given because this is the plugin we are using. I have named the title as testing advanced custom fields, and here in the description field I'm giving is this is a test, and I'm just copying this one and I'm pasting it here. Okay, now I have entered the body, and so this is the phone number and address. So let's not enter this phone number and just enter the address here. So the address is 123 Main Street, New York, USA. So this is the address we have entered. So let's see, like click on publish. You can see that, like please enter a phone number here. So this is the error. So let's enter some phone number here, 9112345678. So this is the phone number we have entered. Now click on publish here. Okay, now the post is published here. So let's go and view the post here. I am opening it in a new page. Okay, so the post is created, testing advanced custom fields, and the body is this is a test, this is a test, etc. And if you see, you won't see the phone number or the address field that you have added. So for this one, what you have to do is you have to modify the template, the post type template, like you have to modify that one in order to show the new fields that you have added. So for this one, let's go to your appearance and go to the editor here. So this is the editor. So here we can edit the theme files here. So for the post, if it is a post, normally the file is single post, so it is single.php. so click on this single post to edit this one. So this is the single.php file. So in this file you need to add some coding here. So normally this is the place, like this is where like you are getting the content and posting it here. So let's add under this one here. So here what you have to do is you have to add like some PHP coding, which is left arrow mark and question mark PHP echo get underscore field of, the first one is phone underscore number. So that's the one we would like to display it, and semicolon, and next one is, sorry, so here PHP tag is already there, so we don't need to add this PHP echo here. Get underscore, just directly enter like get underscore field phone underscore number, and next one is get underscore field address. So these are the names like that I asked you to remember early. So if you want to see them, just go to your custom fields and click on test field group, the new field group that you have created. So if you see the field name, phone underscore number and address, so these are the ones that you have to give. In that in while editing your template. So what you have to do is like, you have to if you don't have like, if you don't have the PHP open, then you have to give it like, PHP echo get underscore field of phone number. Since PHP tag is already open here, so what I'm doing is I'm just giving get underscore field of phone underscore number and get underscore field of for address. Let's see if this works or not. Just update the file. Okay, now the file is edited successfully. Let's go to your post and refresh this one. Okay, let's see like, if the phone number and address is showing up now. They're not showing up here. That means this is not the place where exactly like you can add the code here. Okay, so this is not working. So what we have to do is we have to really look where exactly we can add this PHP code to really show up in the new post that we have added. So what we have to do is like, if you see this one here, what's happening is like, they are calling a new template here for showing up the title and the post section. So what we have to do is we have to add this code in that new template. So delete this one and see this one, content comma attachment content get underscore post underscore format. So if you see this one here, like we have three things: content hyphen attachment, content hyphen none, content.php. So in this one, since it is like it's a post area, this is normally the one, this is a new theming as part of the WordPress. So normally you have to add it in the content.php section. So edit this one, content.php. Okay, so this is content.php and if you see it here, like php the underscore content, this is where like the article will be displayed. So after this we have to add these new things. So once we add this one, but here like there is no PHP tag already open. So what we have to do is we have to manually open this PHP tag, left arrow question mark PHP, and then here close the PHP tag. And similarly for this one also, left arrow mark question mark PHP, and in the end close the PHP tag. So now we have added, say update the file and let's see if it is working or not. Okay, now let's go to our new post that we have created and refresh this one. Okay, so this one is not working. So we have done some mistake here. So what we have done is, okay, so we should use like echo here. So type echo. Okay, so PHP echo get underscore field of phone number and PHP echo get underscore field of address. So these are the ones, this is the small code that you have to add, and let's save this one. Okay, now the file is edited successfully. Go to the post and refresh this one. Okay, so the post is refreshed and you can see the phone number here and also the address here. So but they are like they came one after the other, so it's like they are mixed here. So let's see, let's have like some kind of a break field here, break here, and see, update this one and refresh this one here. Okay, so here you can see that like this is the phone number that we have added and this is the address. So let's do some more thing here. So for this one here, what we can do is we can add like phone and break, and here what we can do is address and break. Click on update file. Okay, now the file is updated. Refresh the new post page. Okay, see here you can see the phone as this one and the address as this one. So what you have to do is like you have to add this small piece of code, like PHP echo get underscore field of the field you have created, and you have to use the same thing under content.php. It really depends on like the theme you are using. Mostly like In old themes, it is directly the single post. In single post itself, you can add this new code, but in the new themes, like it is the content.php where you have to add this code. So once you add this small code, then the new fields that you have created will be displayed on the new posts that you have added. So this way, using the plugin advanced custom fields, you can really add any custom fields that you want to add to any post type, like post or page. And if you modify the template and add the code I have shown, you can display those new fields also in your posts or pages. Okay guys, so using this custom fields WordPress tutorial, now you know how to use advanced custom fields WordPress plugin and how to add custom fields to WordPress blog, posts or pages. If you like this video and if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe link here. Here are some of the interesting videos, so you can go ahead and watch any of those videos. If you are new to my channel and if you would like to visit my channel, which is Blogging My Passion, please click on the channel link here. If you would like to view all the videos that I have uploaded, please go ahead and click on the videos link here. If you would like to visit my blog, which is bloggingmypassion.com, please click on the blog link here. And finally, if you like this video, please go ahead and click on the subscribe link and subscribe to my channel Blogging My Passion. Thank you very much.